First, open the product packaging and take out the manual, printer, data cable, and label card. Open the printer cover, take the card, place it with the card facing inward. And the printing side of the paper facing down. And press and hold the power button for about 3 seconds to turn it on. Press the feed button once, and the label will automatically align to the tear-off position. To install the software, you can scan the QR code in the manual or search for the download in the App Market. Now, let's demonstrate the App Market download method. Search for Open Label, click to install. And then open the app. Allow location access. Then go to My NGT, Service Provider Information, enter SINMARK, and click OK. Next, click the printer icon in the upper right corner to search for Bluetooth devices. Choose the printer name starting with SK58 and click to connect. Then click Print Test Page. If the printer feeds one page correctly, the connection is successful. Go back to the main screen and click Create. Enter any template name, set the paper width and height, and click Create. Click on the text box and double-click to enter content. Click OK. You can move the text by selecting it and dragging it. Click Style to adjust the font size. Click on the 1D barcode and drag the corners to resize it. Finally, click Print, then pull down to enter the Settings menu where you can adjust the printer's speed and density based on your needs. Click Print again, and the printer will feed one page. The printing process is now complete.